Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to turn a row into column in Google Sheets. So in order to transpose your list, you will have to go to the cell where you want to do it, then type in equals and transpose. Click on transpose, and here, as you can see, you will have to select the array of range. So select the range that you want to transpose and hit enter. Right now you can see that name and job are right here, and then there are names and there are jobs. So you have successfully did that. If you want to do a different way, you can also just copy, and then go to another cell, right click, and you can go to paste special, as you can see right here, and select transposed. This will do the same thing. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.